Hey everyone! Ready to level up your investing game? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to smart investing. So, grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes on this one. First things first, educate yourself. Knowledge is power, my friends. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Understand the risks and rewards associated with each. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Next, set clear financial goals. What are you investing for? Retirement? Buying a house? Once you have a clear vision, you can create a plan to achieve those goals. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so be patient and stay focused. Now, let's talk about diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes. This helps reduce risk and increases your chances of earning consistent returns. Another important tip is to stay disciplined. Don't let emotions drive your investment decisions. Stick to your plan, even when the market gets bumpy. Remember, investing is about the long haul, not short-term gains. Lastly, don't forget to review and adjust your portfolio regularly. Keep up with market trends and make necessary changes to stay on track. And always remember, investing is a journey, so keep learning and growing along the way. There you have it, the ultimate guide to smart investing. Now go out there, make informed decisions, and watch your savings grow. Happy investing, my friends!